The 32nd Inspector General of Police, Federal Republic of Nigeria, IGP Kayode Egbetokun, PhD, don appeal to police officers make dem show commitment to excellent service delivery. He make this appeal for one lecture session wey dem hold for the Edo State Police Command headquarters when he come visit the command and to commission one ultramodern police area command for Benin City. The Inspector General fly enter Benin Airport with the Nigeria Police 5NHAR airplane and he received warm welcome from the Assistant Inspector General of Police Zone 5 Benin, AIG Arugwa Wazu Udo, Commissioner of Police Edo State Command CP Fusion Adegboye, and members of the Edo State Command. The entourage come reach the State CID Edo State Command headquarters where dem for receive am with parade by sentry wey policemen mount.
By men of Nigeria Police Force, Edo State Command, comprised in Pamplia and 7 others. That commanded by Force Number 51216, Corporal Osagede Francis. That form are ready for your inspection. Sir! Inspector General Salat! Present! Have your camp permission to marshal the guard. Sir! Sentry step fast! Remember to the country! Dismiss!
For in lecture, IGP Kayode Egbetokun come remember the past and come here and say belle sweet and wella to come back after 14 years. He come also commend the policemen, congratulate them on being police officers, and come note the federal government commitment to improve police welfare for the country.
I had the privilege of serving in this command as Commander Mopo 5 Benin. And I must say that by the time I was leaving Benin in August 2010, I left with good memories, and I still have the fond memories of my stay in Benin. For those of you who are here today, do the best you can, serve the people to the best of your ability, show commitment to highest standard of integrity and public trust. Make sure that you are transparent and honest in your actions with members of the public. And I must tell you that the people of Benin, of Edo State, will pray for you. I know that they prayed for me when I was here. And the prayer they gave me when I was here keep following me. When the people pray for you, because you are doing a good job, the prayers will follow you to wherever you go, even to your retirement. I want to congratulate all of you, first of all, for being police officers. And secondly, for the wonderful jobs you are doing in Edo State. Since I became IG, I've not received any bad report about any policeman from Edo Command. That, however, doesn't mean that all of you are doing excellently well. There are some few of you that are still tarnishing our image. Maybe you are not reported on. But if you are one of them, you have a chance to change. it is not too late for you to change. I used to tell people everywhere I've worked that the public narrative about us, we can change it overnight. If all of us decide together that we want to change the image of the police to a better image. I'm not saying we have a bad image. Our image, very good image that we are building, but we have room for improvement. We can always make it better. And with the commitment of all of us, we'll give ourselves better image. And when we give ourselves better image, this good image is going to follow us to retirement. We'll be more respected by members of the public. There are so many corporate organizations that are looking for retired police officers to employ them. If we don't have good image, it's going to affect the chances of these our retired officers, their chances of getting such beautiful, good jobs after retirement. So I've come to appeal to you and to counsel you that there is more to gain if all of us show commitment to excellent service delivery. I congratulate you for the good job you are doing in Edo State. I congratulate you for being a policeman. With respect to your welfare, I have good news for you. The federal government is committed to improved welfare for police officers. Recently, I received a team of UNODC in my office, where they presented their third anti-corruption report in Nigeria to me. And it is heartwarming to note that the Nigerian police was rated the most improved agency in anti-corruption in Nigeria. That would not have been possible if the officers have not keyed into the new policing vision of emplacing a professionally competent, service-driven, rule of law compliant, and people-friendly police force. That was a testimonial to your commitment to our vision. We want a police force that will be so well positioned to respond to the dynamics of crimes and criminalities in our societies. And that is what you are doing in Edo State. I want you to keep it up. The federal government is committed to improve welfare. And we are also doing our best to ensure that you have improved welfare. Recently, we launched the police housing scheme. The intention of having a police housing scheme is to provide affordable houses to all police officers across the ranks. With what we have in place, what we are putting together, houses will be affordable for all police officers, such that you cannot serve the police for 35 years and retire and not have a home. That's what we are working on, and we are getting support from federal government. That's to show to you that the government and the police administration are committed to improved welfare for police officers. We are also working very, very hard on improved pension earning for our retired officers.
Commissioner of Police CP Fusion Adegboyewa they briefed the IGP can reveal how diligently the officers they discharge their respective duties.
The IGP has deemed it necessary to always visit our commands and formations, to talk to officers of the police, to brainstorm on certain issues on how we can get it right and for police to be better in all areas. We say coming together is the beginning, meeting together is progress, and working together is achievement. These are the key words and philosophies of the Inspector General of Police as a leader who came to be the IGP with a vision statement to place a police force that is professionally competent, rule of law compliant, service-driven, and people-friendly. You cannot achieve this if you are far from the personnel you command as the Inspector General of Police. Hence, the decision of the IGP to visit commands and formations.
The high point of the day now when the entourage enter Upper Sapoba Road to commission the new Metro Ultra-Modern Benin Area Command Headquarters.
To the glory of God, to the benefit of mankind, and for better service delivery in the State Command, I hereby commission this newly built edifice as the Area Command Office for Area Command Metro Benin.
Una go remember say the Ultra-Modern Police Area Command na part of Edo State Oil and Gas Producing Areas Commission Etsopadek projects wey dem complete under the Obaseki-led administration. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesole, TMC TV News.